Hey my roadies, this is Road Trip Dave here coming at you from the long-awaited part 2 of the Wings Over Myrtle Beach Air Show. As we take a look here at a beautiful DC-3, also known as the Goonie Bird, stay tuned as we watch an Air Force F-16 demonstration and the Blue Angels flying high. Hope you enjoy it. Here's the C-130 Hercules finishing its flight. While we watch it go down that taxiway, I just want to remind you all to please choke slam that like button for this video, leave a comment, and share it with others. Also, please click the subscribe button and bell icon to get notifications for new videos and my live streams. Lastly, please check me out on my Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter pages with links in the description below.
This right here is the F-35. This is one of the static displays of the F-35. Looks really nice. This right here is the F-16 Viper. We're about to get, we're about to see the Viper team actually perform. It will be a solo guy, but he'll be, basically it's one of the teammates of this plane right here. All right. Let's show the F-16 right here in the background. It's been actually a beautiful day today. Can't beat the weather. It's been about 75 degrees. It's been 75 degrees, all sunny, just beautiful blue skies. Show this F-35 right here. Pretty impressive, huh? But we're about to see the F-16 Viper team take off, and he's going to show us some cool maneuvers. Ready to start.
These Blue Angels are known as the solo pilots, number 5 and number 6. Get ready for a rockin' good show.
off a pass.
There's the spirit of freedom. My kids got a chance to be in it.
As we were walking towards the exit area, we found some more awesome static airplane displays, including this Dash Aerosports Racer. Here is a beautiful biplane, and I apologize that I cannot remember the model or the name. This is a gorgeous P-51 Mustang, similar to the one that flew with the Corsair in my Part 1 video. Make sure you check that out. And lastly, we're looking at a Beechcraft AT-11 Kansan in the foreground and a B-25 Mitchell behind it. We had an incredible time at the Wings Over Myrtle Beach Air Show, despite the traffic, as you can see. We hope that we can come here again for future shows. Thank you all for being patient and me finally getting this part 2 of the air show vlog to you. Until next time, Dave's Roadies, laters.